Welcome to Serif DrawPlus. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the DrawPlus workspace and the basic tools and techniques you'll need to get started. On the left, you'll see the drawing toolbar. Here you'll find tools for drawing lines, painting, creating shapes, adding text, inserting pictures, and so on. Let's start with the paintbrush. When you choose a tool to work with, you'll notice that the context toolbar displays controls that let you adjust various properties of the tool. For example, the brush context toolbar provides controls for adjusting brush color, width, opacity, and so on. To set the color of my brush stroke before painting, let's go over to the Color tab. In DrawPlus, the color of brush strokes and lines is set via the line swatch. Currently, this is set to black. To change the color, simply click a point on the color wheel to set the hue, and then click inside the triangle to determine the exact shade. Now I just click and drag on my page to paint. I've created my brush stroke with the default brush style, but if I open the Brushes tab, you can see that DrawPlus provides a wide range of brush styles to choose from. You can edit brush strokes you've already created by first selecting them with the pointer tool and then adjusting their properties. If I now switch to the pencil tool, I can use exactly the same principles to draw lines on my page. Let's now add a shape. The Quick Shapes flyout provides a selection of shapes that you can add with a simple click and drag process. You can see that the shape's outline has adopted the line colour I set for my pencil line. I can easily change this. And to apply colour to the inside of the shape, I simply select the Colour tab's Fill swatch and then click on my chosen colour. I've applied a solid fill to my shape, but you can also apply a gradient fill. To do this, either select a preset from the Swatch tab's Gradient Fill palette, or draw your own fill path with the Fill tool. And then set fill colours. And you can use the same technique to apply gradient transparency with the Transparency tool. DrawPlus provides two text tools for adding text to your page, the Artistic Text tool and the Frame Text tool. You can read all about the differences between these in the DrawPlus online help. To add text, simply select the appropriate tool and then click on your page and start typing. To change text properties after typing, select the text and then use the Color tab or the Text Context toolbar controls. You can use the pointer tool to select, move and resize any object on your page. First, click the tool and then click to select the object you want to work with. To move the object, drag directly on it or drag the Move button that displays in the upper left corner. To resize, drag one of its corner resize handles. You can also rotate an object by hovering just outside a corner until you see the rotate cursor. Then simply drag to rotate the object. Of course, you don't have to be an artist to use DrawPlus. The Effects tab provides a selection of preset fills and effects that you can apply to selected objects with a single click. And over on the Gallery tab, you'll find a wide range of ready-made objects, clip art, symbols, flowcharts, and so on that you can simply drag onto your page. Once inserted, you can adjust and recolor these objects too. The tools and techniques I've demonstrated here should be enough to get you started with DrawPlus. But if you need help, you can open the How To tab and either select from the table of contents or just click on a tool to view the relevant topic.